Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chanel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we're looking at a beast of a machine, the Komatsu D475A-8. This isn't just any bulldozer, it's a powerhouse designed for extreme earth-moving jobs. Let's dive into its features, performance, and why it stands out in the industry. Bulldozer details. The Komatsu D475A-8 is a 1120 horsepower giant weighing in at 112 tons. This dozer is built for mining, heavy-duty construction, and massive land clearing projects. Equipped with an 18.5 cubic meter blade, it can push a mountain if you ask it to. Exterior. One look at this beast, and you know it's built for dominance. The reinforced tracks provide stability on rough terrain, while the single-shank ripper at the back can tear through rock like butter. Komatsu's signature yellow paint job makes it instantly recognizable on any job site. Interior. Inside the D475A-8, it's all about operator control and comfort. The fully redesigned cab offers better visibility, and the ergonomic joystick controls make handling this giant surprisingly smooth. Plus, the color LCD monitor provides real-time diagnostics and machine data. Comfort level, long hours on the job, no problem. The air suspension seat absorbs shocks like a dream. And with automatic climate control and a soundproofed cabin, you're protected from dust, noise, and extreme temperatures whether you're working in the desert or freezing conditions. Performance. The D475A-8 doesn't just look powerful, it delivers. Its Komatsu SA-A1 to V1 for OE7 engine produces 1120 HP, providing exceptional pushing power. The automatic lockup torque converter increases efficiency by up to 10%, saving fuel while maximizing output. And with its electronically controlled transmission, gear shifts are smoother than ever. Conclusion. If you're in the market for one of the biggest, most powerful dozers out there, the Komatsu D475A-8 is a machine you can count on. It's got the power, the technology, and the comfort to keep operators efficient and productive. What do you think about this monster? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heavy equipment reviews. See you in the next video.
Rocks, beats.